Welcome po mga kapuso! Share the love for the Kapuso Network and show your pride as a kapuso. Uso na ang collab kaya may collab ang Linya Linya with GMA Network for two fantastic, amazing, and life-changing items. Ang Linya Linya X Kapuso t-shirt and tote bag! Itsura pa lang, it's giving quality materials and pakak na branding of our favorite Kapuso Network, GMA. Kahit t-shirt lang, pwedeng-pwede na dahil kitang-kita na ang love sa GMA. But why not be at your proudest kapag sinabay mo pa ang tote bag na sobrang tibay, hindi kayang buwagin ng third party? Charing. The style na approve ni Miranda Priestley ang atake. Kaya mga kapuso, yes kapuso, get your own Linya Linya X Kapuso t-shirt and tote bag today. Kung gusto mong makabili nito and other GMA merch, visit the GMA Store official website ng GMA Network or sa mga suki mong e-commerce platforms. And don't forget of course to watch The People Have Spoken. Thank you and you're welcome, mga kapuso.